Here's a little trick I use to help simplify my animation process. So I'm animating this How to Soda Pop Dance section where he's doing that drink action. There's also a camera move, so he's going from that to that. Now if I start adding drawings in between them, I would have to be figuring out the drawings going in between these two poses while figuring out the camera move at the same time. So to simplify things, I animate the camera on a different layer. So then when I turn it off, all I need to focus on is the movement. There's no camera move. So I can put a blank keyframe in between these two poses, turn on my onion skin. So now I added the in-between drawing, and then if I play through, you can see the action taking place with no camera move. Turn the camera move on, and now you have the action with the camera move. Here's one of the many things I love about working in Toon Boom Harmony. As you can see, the pants are not colored. I click on apply to all frames, pick my color, drag across, hit play. This drawing has a normal looking foot. The next drawing is the same foot, but it looks nothing like a foot, because that is called a smear drawing, which you will not see when I hit play. One head is here and this head is here. I'm gonna be adding the drawing in between those two heads, but the heads are kind of far apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring these heads closer to each other, just in between while they're closer, and then put them back in their place. I'll copy this, Control V to paste, copy this, move it over, and then I'll turn on my onion skin so I can see the drawing before, and I'll place this very close to it. So now when I go back and forth, it's not a big jump. I can start adding my drawing in between. And I'll grab the new drawing, bring it over.